Chapter 5, MS Access 2016 and Database Management System. Lesson Outcomes. Database. What is DBMs? Management System DBMs. Application. MS Access. Creating a new database. Components of MS Access. Creating the tables. Primary key. Working with database fields. Database. A database is a collection of records and files that are organized with a particular purpose in mind. For example, you may keep the names and addresses of all of your friends, or perhaps you have a set of files at home that contain all of your tax information. Anytime you are creating a method for storing and organizing information, you are essentially creating a database. So we can say a database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can easily be accessed, managed, modified, controlled, and updated. What is DBMs? The collection of data, organized, stored in a file, is called database file, and the process or the software which helps us to interpret the data into meaningful information of a database with some predefined relation between the fields is known as Database Management System or DBMs. There are many DBMs software available in the market. Some of them are FoxPro, DBase, Mississippi, Bease Access, etc. DBMs involves the following primary tasks. When we process data on computer, we execute few basic tasks. Add new data to the database. Edit, changing the already entered data items when necessary. Delete, deleting any old information when required. Sort the database, that is, change the order of information in the database, say name-wise, city or place-wise, etc. Search, locating a particular type of data item. Print the records of the database in certain format. Management System, DBMs. DBMs, an application software, has some applications, functions, features, and characteristics. Application. Database management is used to manage and store information. Managing the data means the arrangement of information in a particular manner sequence. Database, being a multitasking software, can handle creation, deletion, and modification of many fields. Importance of database in many fields. The data should be properly sorted and indexed for catalog management. Database are used in hotels, offices for inventory controls and billing. Database helps the doctor in keeping complete record of patients, their disease and treatment, etc. Database are used by scientists to record their readings and research work. Database are used in banks and financial institutions for accounting, etc. Database are used by Income Tax Department for keeping income tax payees record. Finally, the database is used in every possible department of life. Characteristics. 1. Database, a collection of information/data in the form of records and fields stored in a file, is called database. The records in such files can be interrelated to one another. 2. File, a collection of interrelated records which share the data types, is called a file. 3. Record, a collection of fields used in a database, forms a record. 4. Field, the set of characters which helps to store information's data about any items, is called a field. 5. Character, they are simply the number, character or special character sets used to write any data. Feature 1. Many databases can be opened at a time. 2. Maximum of 128 fields can be kept stored in a record. 3. A database file's name can be of 8 characters. 4. No special character or space can be used in a file name. 5. Sorting can be done on multiple fields. 6. Database files have extension .pf. 7. Variety of DBMS packages are available, that is, Oracle, Fox Pro, etc. MS Access. MS Access is an application software for managing the databases. It was released by Microsoft in November 1992. It actually stores the data on the basis of the relational JET database engine. It mainly provides the graphical user interface for accessing the data and the tools for software development. It helps the users for managing the related data more efficiently than Microsoft Excel or other applications of spreadsheets. Users can easily analyze the large amount of data stored in it. You can create forms to enter and view data in your tables and reports displaying data from one or more tables. You can also create queries which choose some selected subset of the database total data. Feature of MS Access. We can create tables by design or wizard options. Any data stored in MS Access can be easily used throughout the MS Office applications. Data entered and stored in MS Access can be easily exported or pasted into spreadsheets or statistical software for further analysis. The prime advantage of MS Access is its relational ability that allows users to join tables using fields common to both, thereby allowing users to extract data from one table that related to data in another. It provides excellent graphical user interface (GUI), whereas most database management tools provide console operating interface (SOI). Starting MS Access. To create a database from a template, we first need to start MS Access. To start or open MS Access, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on the Access option or type Access in the search box. MS Access icon appears. Click on it. We get a window of MS Access 2060. Creating a new database. You can create a new database by choosing the template from the list of options. You can open existing database from the right-hand side and make changes to the contents for a new database. Step 1. To create a blank database, click on the blank database template. A dialog box will appear with default name and number and location of the file. The number changes sequentially as more databases are created. You can rename your file in the file name box and change the location of the file by clicking on the folder icon placed next to the file name box. Step 2. Click on the Create button. The new database will open in Datasheet view. You will see a blank table by default named as Table 1. Components of MS Access. The components of MS Access are shown in the figure. Title bar. This displays the name of the active database and the path where it is located. Quick Access toolbar. It is present on the top left corner of the Access window. By default, it shows the Save, Undo and Redo buttons. Ribbon. Ribbon is present below the title bar. It contains various tabs. Clicking on these tabs will open a set of commands organized in groups. The different tabs are File, Home, Create, External Data, Database Tools and Table Fields, etc. Document tab bar. This bar displays all the opened objects. In order to view the objects, click on its tab. An object can be closed by clicking on the cross X on the right end of the Objects tab. Navigation pane. It displays the objects which are assembled by type in the database. Double-click on the navigation pane opens these objects. Clicking on the double arrows present on the top right corner hides the navigation pane. Record navigation bar. It is used to navigate through records at a time. Use the arrows to navigate, and if you want to jump to a particular record, simply type its ID number in the white box given. Record search box. It allows you to search any term in currently opened record or object. The searched result appears highlighted with yellow border. Pressing the Enter key allows navigating additional results. Field. It is a single column or a unit in a table. Each field has a unique name. For example, the name of phone subscribers in phone directory can be stored in one field with a field name as name. Status bar. This is present at the bottom of the window and displays information about the current database. It has buttons which can change to database view, design view, pivot table view and pivot chart view. Creating the tables. When you create a blank database, Access creates a table automatically named Table 1. A new blank table will be created and opened in the datasheet view. There are two views of a table: datasheet view and design view. Datasheet view. The datasheet view is the default view of MS Access. This is used to enter the data by clicking on any cell. It displays the table as a grid. The fields are displayed as columns and the records as rows. We move to the new row by pressing the Tab key or by clicking the New Record button available in the record navigation bar down below. Double-clicking on the selected table in the navigation pane opens it in Datasheet view. Design view. The design view is used to create or modify a table. We can accordingly add field names, data types, and the definition of the field. To create or modify a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Create a database. Step 2. Click the Create tab and select the Table Design option. Step 3. The design view will appear. Step 4. Now add the field name, data type, and the description. Every field name specified in the table has a particular data type. Before we proceed further, let us first understand what are data types and the different data types available in Access. Data types. A table consists of fields which may contain different data types. A data type determines the type of data that can be entered into a field. The following table lists the data types available in desktop databases in MS Access 2016. Data type. Usages. Size. Short text. Alphanumeric data. Up to 255 characters. Long text. Large amount of alphanumeric data. 1 GB of text. Number. Stores numeric data. 1, 2, 4 or 8 bytes. Date time. Stores date and time. 8 bytes. Currency monetary data with 4 decimals. 8 bytes. Auto number. Unique value generated by Access for each new record. 4 bytes. Yes no boolean. Trues false data. 1 bytes. OLE object pictures, graphs or other Windows-based application. Up to 2 GB. Hyperlink, a local link or an internet link. Up to 8, 192 characters. Attachment images / documents / spreadsheets. Up to 2 GB. Calculated. You can create an expression that uses data from one or more fields. Lookup wizard creates a field that allows you to peep into fields from other tables. 4 bytes. The following figure shows the field names and the data types. Certain rules must be followed while writing the field name. The name can be 1 to 64 characters long. It cannot start with a blank space. It can include letters, numbers, special characters like underscore. The name can be written in uppercase, lowercase, or both. Symbols like and cannot be used to write a field name. Primary key. A primary key is one of the unique features of MS Access. A table can have only one primary key. A primary key consists of one or more fields that uniquely identify each record that you store in the table. It ensures that there is no data duplication inside the table. To use the primary key, follow the given steps. Step 1. In the Table Design view, select the field to be defined as primary key. The selected field will be highlighted. Step 2. Click on the primary key in the Tools group of the Design tab. We shall notice the selected field set as a primary key with a small key attached to the field. Step 3. Right-click on the field and select primary key from the list of options. Working with database fields. Adding a field. If you want to add a new field in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open a table in Database view. Step 2. Right-click on the table. Step 3. Now choose the Design view. The Design view window will appear. Step 4. Select the row where the field has to be inserted and right-click to get Insert Rows option. The new field roll number is inserted with number data type. Deleting a field. If you want to delete any field from a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the table from which you want to delete a field. Step 2. Right-click on the Table 1 and choose Design View in the drop-down menu list. Step 3. Select the field you want to delete. Step 4. Right-click on the selected field and choose Delete Rows option. Step 5. The row of the field is deleted from the table. After deleting, the row field will look like as shown below. Inserting new field. When you open an existing table in Datasheet view, you can add a field to the table in the following way. Step 1. Click on the Click to Add option in the Open table. Step 2. Choose the type of data and assign name to it. Here, new field name Age Groups has been created. Sorting data. MS Access can sort records in sort A to Z, sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest order. It allows arrangement of data as per the required and specified fields within a table. If you want to sort the data, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open your data table in Datasheet format. Step 2. Select the field you need to sort by clicking the drop-down arrow. Step 3. Select the option Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A option if the field is alphanumeric, or select the option Sort Smallest to Largest option in the field. Step 4. Select the type of sorting from the Sort and Filter menu in the Home tab. Similarly, we can select the ascending and descending order on the same field in the Home groups as shown. Saving a table. To save a table, we need to follow the following steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab and choose Save option, or directly press Ctrl+S. Step 2. If you want to rename the file, change it in the table name. Closing a table. After you have finished your work, save the file and select the Close option in the File tab to close the Access programs. Points to remember. A collection of information/data in the form of records and fields stored in a file is called database. Database management is used to manage and store information. The data should be properly sorted and indexed for catalog management. A collection of fields used in a database forms a record. MS Access is application software for managing the databases. We can create tables by design or wizard options. The Datasheet view is the default view of MS Access. The fields are displayed as columns and the records as rows. We move to the new row by pressing the Tab key or by clicking the New Record button available in the record navigation bar down below.